One of the first things that stuck out to me was the way you use Google Analytics, depending on the business objective and the type of business that you're using. Well, utilizing different data is collected. I thought it was extremely interesting that Google data has over 90 reports. I wonder how many of those reports are useful. I thought this was ultra interesting that you can use Google Analytics across different types of software, such as smartphones and tablets. One of the questions that I would like to pose to my classmates deals in this subject matter. Do you think there are higher traffic? Do you think there is higher traffic on smartphones than there are computers? Do you think that this was different 10 years ago? One of the final things I would like to touch on for my readings this week was all of that Google Analytics can track. They can track sessions, page views, and bounce rates. These are all extremely important because it helps people see the interaction that they have with their websites. However, one thing that I learned was you need to understand each of the elements that you might see in the report. So, one example would be bouncing. Just because a report shows high bounce rate doesn't mean that it's a bad thing. There are many reasons why it may happen. Many people find that they are looking for one. On the opposite hand, people have not found what they are looking for. Basically, the reports Google Analytics gives you a tool that someone who works with the analytics has to know how to read and decipher information.